How to create a Stripe account. Hey guys, in today's video, I'm going to show you how to create a Stripe account step by step. Whether you're starting an online business or need a payment gateway for your website, this guide will help you set up Stripe quickly and easily. So make sure to watch this video till the end, and let's get started. To get started, open your browser and go to Google. Simply search for Stripe and click on the official website, that's stripe.com. Once you're on the Stripe homepage, you can take a moment to explore what Stripe is and how it works. But if you're ready to jump in, scroll down and click the Start Now button to begin the sign-up process. On the sign-up page, you'll see a simple form. Here, you'll need to enter your email address, full name, country of residence, and choose a password. After filling in those details, click on the Create Account button. Or you can simply click on Continue with Google like I did. After the verification of Google account, you will be logged into the Stripe account. Once that's done, your Stripe account will be activated and you'll be taken to your dashboard, ready to set up and start using Stripe. Now the next step is to complete our profile so we can start accepting payments. This part is crucial. If you skip it, you won't be able to actually use Stripe to receive payments. So let's get it done. First, you'll see a section titled, Let's Start with Some Basics. Here, you need to select your business location and your business type. Depending on your country, the options may vary slightly. But if you don't have a registered company, simply choose individual or sole trader. Once that's selected, go ahead and click Continue. Next, you'll need to provide some basic personal details. That includes your legal name, email address, date of birth, and your home address. I'll fill those in now. Once everything is filled in, hit Continue. Now we move on to sharing a bit more about your business. You'll see an optional field for your VAT number. If you have one, you can enter it here. If not, you can leave it blank. It's completely optional. Now it's time to choose your industry. Don't worry if there's no perfect match. For example, I create content on YouTube and work in social media, but there isn't a specific category for that. So in my case, I'll select software, since it's the closest fit. Just pick something that best describes your work. It doesn't have to be exact. Next up is your business website. If you don't have a website, that's totally fine. You can use a social media page, LinkedIn profile, or any relevant link to your work. I don't have a website, but I do have a YouTube channel, so I'll go over to my channel, copy the link, and paste it into the field here. Now you'll see a section for a brief business description. Once that's done, click Continue. After that, click Continue. Next, we have to set up a statement descriptor and a shortened descriptor. You might be wondering what this is. The statement descriptor is what your customers will see on their bank statements. For the shortened descriptor, I'll just type YT to keep things simple and consistent. Now we need to enter a customer support phone number. This is required, so go ahead and add your phone number here, then click Continue. Now it's time to connect your bank account so you can actually receive payments. First, choose your currency and country, then fill in your sort code and account number. You'll need to confirm the account number as well. You can get this info from your online banking app or a recent bank statement. Once you've entered the banking details, click Continue. To keep your account secure, Stripe now asks you to set up two-factor authentication. You have a few options here. You can use an authenticator app, a security key, or SMS. I personally prefer using an authenticator app because I change SIM cards frequently. So I'll select the authenticator app option, scan the QR code using Google Authenticator, and then enter the 6-digit code it gives me. If you're not familiar with how that works, no problem. Just go with the SMS option for simplicity. After entering the code, Stripe will give you a backup code. Be sure to save this in a secure place. This adds an extra layer of security to your account. From now on, whenever you log in, Stripe will require you to complete two-factor authentication to keep your account safe. All right, now I'm going to click Done and then hit Continue. Now we're on the VAT calculation step. If you're not registered for VAT or don't need to collect it, simply scroll down and click No Thanks. If you are registered and need to charge VAT, go ahead and fill out the necessary details in this section. For me, I don't deal with VAT, so I'll just click No Thanks. Next, Stripe gives you a chance to review everything you've entered so far. Take a quick look through all your information to make sure it's accurate. Once you're ready, scroll down to the bottom of the page and click Agree and Submit. You'll then see a message that says, "Thanks for submitting," and Stripe will automatically redirect you to your dashboard. And that's it. You're now inside the Stripe dashboard and ready to start accepting payments. There are a bunch of ways to set up payments, integrate with your website, or use payment links, but I won't dive into that in this video. You can check out the tutorials available right here on Stripe's site or explore more of my in-depth Stripe tutorials on this channel. And that's how you can create your Stripe account in just a few simple steps. If this video helped you out, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more useful tutorials. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.